We apply heat to the device to remove the battery cover. We use a suction cup to lift the back cover. We introduce a metal opening tool. We use a plastic card to cut the adhesive. We release the screw. We remove the plastic protector. In the description, I leave you the links of the tools and spare parts that we use. If you liked the video, don't forget the like. Thank you. Now we lose the connector of the fingerprint sensor scanner Touch ID. We remove the following screws. We eject the SIM tray and the micro SD tray. We remove the back cover. To continue with the disassembly process, first of all, we have to remove the battery flex. Here we have the connector of the screen. To loosen the adhesive, we use a contact cleaner or isopropyl alcohol. Using a plastic tool, let's remove the battery. Now we remove the flex. With the help of a heat gun, we apply 90 Celsius degrees during 4 minutes. We remove the broken screen. Before glue the screen, we have to clean the old adhesive from the middle frame. Before glue the new screen, you must check if the screen is working properly. We apply industrial adhesive glue depending of the color of the device. Now it's time to install the new screen. Now we return with the assembly process. We have finished the assembly process.